How to add friends on Rockstar Social Club. Now, first things first is you have to remember that you won't be able, or there is no option for you to be able to add friends on Rockstar Social Club if you will use the Rockstar Games Launcher. Now, for you to be able to make this work and add friends on Rockstar Social Club is you'll have to log into their website. So access any preferred website you want and then head directly to rockstargames.com. From here, all you have to make sure is just to go ahead and log into the same account and then just simply click on your profile right here or the Rockstar logo and then go ahead to friends and choose any of these options right here. Just choose on my friends. Now you will be redirected to the next page in which the area that you will have a vision of your friends that you added on Rockstar Games or from the Rockstar Social Club. Now from here, you can definitely search any friends that you would like to add, and then after you type the friend, just simply click on Find Friends. And then if there will be a result of your friend's username from Rockstar Games, just simply click on that and then add request or add friend request. So that's it. That's how you add friends on Rockstar Social Club.